this is Pimi. Today I want to introduce you our main popular storage lithium battery pack. And especially I want to introduce our golf cart battery. It is highly welcomed in the market now. It supports max continuous 200 mA discharging current and 600 mA peak current can last 7 to 8 seconds. The keys, dimension and output terminal are okay to customer by your requirement. It features speed up fast, rapid charging, inbuilt protection, long life, cost-effective and consistent power. And the indicator are okay to edit to connect with the panel. Welcome your inquiries. We will customize by your requirements.